macro market trends, stock selection, ETFs, options. Just some of the topics covered in Cook's Kitchen.
I've got 4 charts you need to see, and I'm going to try and do this in 2 minutes. I'm going to go fast. All right, first up, percentage of S&P 500 stocks above their 50-day moving average. Are we overbought? Well, look at February. February got above 90%, and late May got above 90%. We're only at 79% as of Tuesday's close. This says not overbought. All right, let's go to the Russell 2000, which definitely looks overbought after this parabolic move. And Russell 2000, 1040 on the index, pushing up to 104 here on the ETF. This thing looks stretched. I'm looking for a gap fill back down here into 101. What I don't have on here are Bollinger Volatility Bands, but I want to talk about that for a moment. Because a chart I don't have because it was too big is weekly closes where the market penetrated the upper Bollinger Band. Since 2006, there were 13 instances, including last week. In the last 12 instances, 8 times, or 75%, or 67% rather, closed lower. So, we're in this cautionary stage here where after this big move, odds are the Russell moves lower, and it would probably be healthy if it did a little back and fill. All right, next 2 charts. I got a buddy who makes some great charts here of the S&P 500. This is going back to 2010, and he's looking at this trend line here, this long-term trend line. Do we need to come back down and test it? Well, if we don't make new highs here above 1687 and push through 1700, odds are this is your summer range trade right here. We need to come back down, maybe test 1635, maybe even 1600. I'd be a buyer at 1650 on the S&P. 1635 could certainly get tested, but this is probably what the summer could look like. Chop around in here if we can't take out 1700. Here's a closer look at the same thing, and just zooming in on it. Odds are if we don't have the momentum, he's looking at the declining volume down here as a sign that this thing is losing steam, losing momentum. So right now, it's still 50-50 if we crush through 1700 or not. I'm a buyer of pullbacks. I'm not looking to get aggressively long until we push through 1700. All right, that was 4 charts in 2 minutes. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen.